Have you ever heard about the biggest water fight in the world? Welcome to the vibrant world of Songkran, the Thai New Year's national holiday. More than just a water fight, Songkran represents a unique blend of fun, tradition, and respect. Picture this, a countrywide celebration where streets transform into arenas of joy with water guns and buckets in everyone's hands. But there's more to it than the splashy fun. Songkran is steeped in centuries-old traditions. It's a time when Thai people pay respect to their elders, visit temples, and engage in merit-making activities. The water fights? They're symbolic, representing the washing away of misfortunes from the previous year and welcoming the new year with a fresh, clean start. So, while it may look like the world's biggest water fight on the surface, Songkran is also a celebration of Thai culture, familial respect, and spiritual rejuvenation. Stay tuned as we dive into the history of this unique festival. Songkran is no ordinary festival. It carries centuries of tradition and meaning. Let's journey back in time to understand the roots of this vibrant festival. Songkran is steeped in the rich tapestry of Buddhist tradition and has been observed for centuries. The term Songkran itself is derived from the Sanskrit word Sankranti, signifying the transit of the sun from one zodiac sign to another. This festival therefore marks the beginning of the Thai New Year and symbolizes new beginnings and renewal. The origins of Songkran are intertwined with Buddhism and the Indian festival of Holi. The pouring of water, a key component of the festival, was initially a way to pay respect to elders and Buddha images. The water used to clean the images would then be collected and gently poured onto elders as a form of blessing and purification. Over the years, this ritual has evolved into a nationwide water fight. Today, the streets of Thailand transform into a playground where people, young and old, engage in a friendly water fight. But the essence remains the same. The water is symbolic of washing away the misfortunes of the past year and inviting positivity for the year ahead. The evolution of Songkran from a quiet, contemplative event into a vivacious water fight speaks volumes about how traditions can adapt over time while still retaining their core essence. It's about striking a balance between the old and the new, the spiritual and the celebratory, the individual and the community. Songkran is also a testament to the enduring power of cultural exchange. Just as the Indian festival of Holi spread to Southeast Asia and morphed into Songkran, the latter too has crossed borders and is now celebrated in various parts of the world. This exchange and evolution of traditions add to the rich diversity of global cultures. From a religious ritual to a national celebration, Songkran has indeed come a long way. It's not just about throwing water, it's a symbol of respect, purification, and joyous celebration. It's a festival that beautifully encapsulates the spirit of Thailand, warm, welcoming, and full of life. Beyond the fun and games, Songkran holds a deeper significance. In the heart of this vibrant festival lies a symbolic meaning that resonates with the Thai people. The water fights, the laughter, the joy, they are all part of a grand tradition of washing away the misfortunes of the past and embracing a clean slate for the future. Yes, the water in Songkran is not just for merriment, it's a symbol of purification, a tool to bid adieu to the old and welcome the new with open arms. But the significance of Songkran doesn't stop at the water fights. The festival is also a time for paying respects to elders, a practice known as Rod Nam Dam Hwa. This ceremony involves the younger generation pouring fragrant water into the palms of their elders, a gesture that signifies respect and well wishes. It's a beautiful moment that ties the community together, bridging the gap between generations and reinforcing the values of respect and gratitude. Songkran is also a time of spiritual reflection. Many Thais visit temples during this period, participating in merit-making activities. They offer food to monks, donate goods, and take part in bathing the Buddha, a ritual where they pour water over Buddha statues, symbolizing purification and the washing away of sins and bad luck. This spirit of renewal and respect permeates every aspect of Songkran. The water fights, the respect-paying ceremonies, the temple visits, they all come together to create a celebration that's not just about having fun, but also about community, reflection, and rebirth. So the next time you find yourself amidst the splashes and the laughter of Songkran, remember that there's more to this festival than meets the eye. It's a time of joy, yes, but it's also a time of reflection, a time of respect, and above all, a time of renewal. Songkran, therefore, is not just a water fight but a celebration of renewal and respect. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the vibrant celebration of Songkran. Imagine stepping into a world where the streets come alive with laughter and joy, where the air is filled with the sound of splashing water and the sweet melodies of traditional Thai music. This is Songkran, Thailand's most famous festival, a time when the entire country transforms into a massive water fight. As the sun rises, the streets begin to fill with people armed with water guns, buckets, and hoses, all ready to partake in the water-throwing celebrations. The water represents purification and the washing away of sins and bad luck. It's a playful tradition, but it's also deeply symbolic, embodying the spirit of renewal that defines Songkran. But the celebration isn't just about water fights. Traditional music and dance performances add to the festival's lively atmosphere. You can see groups of people, young and old, moving rhythmically to the beat of traditional Thai instruments. The dances are mesmerizing, a blend of grace and power that captivates onlookers. It's a sight that showcases the rich cultural heritage of Thailand, a testament to its enduring traditions. No festival would be complete without food, and Songkran is no exception. The air is filled with the enticing aroma of popular Thai dishes. Street vendors serve everything from pad Thai to mango sticky rice, each dish a tantalizing explosion of flavors. Sharing food is a significant part of the festival, a symbol of community and togetherness. And of course, there are the activities. From building sand pagodas to paying respects to elders, each activity is imbued with deep cultural significance. They offer a window into the soul of Thailand, a chance to understand its traditions and values. Songkran is more than just a festival. It's a sensory experience that immerses you in Thai culture. It's a celebration of life, a time when people come together to share joy and create lasting memories. Songkran is truly a festival that engages all your senses. The impact of Songkran extends beyond Thailand's borders. This vibrant festival has garnered international recognition, transforming into a global celebration that attracts tourists from around the world. Each year, the streets of Thailand become a global stage, welcoming millions of visitors eager to participate in the world's largest water fight. The enchanting allure of Songkran lies in its unique blend of cultural depth and playful revelry. It's an opportunity for people of different backgrounds to immerse themselves in Thai traditions, from the ceremonial washing of Buddha statues to the joyous water fight symbolizing purification and renewal. This global interest in Songkran has had a profound impact on Thailand's economy. The festival generates a significant revenue boost each year, with the influx of tourists contributing to various sectors such as hospitality, food and beverage, and retail. It's estimated that during the Songkran period, the tourism industry sees an increase in revenue by a staggering 50%. But the impact of Songkran extends beyond mere economics. This festival also fosters a global cultural exchange. As people from different corners of the world congregate in Thailand to celebrate Songkran, they bring with them their own traditions, perspectives, and experiences. In return, they take home a piece of Thai culture, a deeper understanding of its traditions, and a treasure trove of unforgettable memories. This exchange enriches the global cultural tapestry, strengthening bonds between nations and promoting mutual respect and understanding. Moreover, the international recognition of Songkran also puts Thailand on the global map, highlighting its rich cultural heritage and reinforcing its identity as a vibrant, welcoming nation. The festival serves as an ambassador of Thai culture, extending an open invitation to the world to experience its warmth and hospitality. Songkran, thus, is not just a festival, but a global phenomenon. It's a testament to the power of cultural celebrations in bridging divides, fostering international relations, and contributing to global unity. So, the next time you're drenched in water during Songkran, remember, you're part of a larger global family, celebrating life, renewal, and cultural diversity. As we come to the end of our journey, let's revisit the vibrant world of Songkran. We've delved into the rich history of this Thai festival, tracing its roots back to ancient times when it marked the start of a new solar year. We've explored its significance, a celebration that goes beyond just fun and games, symbolizing purification and the washing away of sins and bad luck. We've witnessed how Songkran is celebrated with water fights, street parties, and traditional rituals bringing together locals and tourists in a joyous spectacle. And we've seen the impact of this festival, its role in promoting unity, respect for the elderly, and a deep sense of community, all while boosting local economies with a surge of tourism. Songkran, a festival of joy, respect, and renewal, truly captures the spirit of Thailand. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. We hope you enjoy our video, and if you want to know more interesting facts on more different topics, then please show us some love with a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.